Hi everyone, my name is Ganesh. Welcome to Smart Investor. Today we are going to discuss about a live trade that I have taken from calendar ratio spread. This spread and strategy we had very well discussed on webinar, which is a very dedicated video for explaining all the rules and adjustments. Those who want to understand about the strategy in detail, I suggest watch the video completely before watching this one. This is a completely a live trade, a real trade, how I have taken, what has happened, how I got out of this, and what has happened at the end. So all those details I'm going to show you. Let's get into those details. Those who are watching this video for the first time, just to give you a brief overview about calendar ratio spread. What is this? Generally, a calendar spread is like we have a 2 months expiries we would consider. Let us take, suppose we are into July, right? This is July, this is August. I take a one trade on July and opposite transaction I take on August. So that is how we manage this trade. So when trade is called calendar trade means strikes are taken at a different month expiries. Just to give you an example, in July, let's say 19,000 call in current month, July, let's say I sell, and next month expiry, like in August, right? This is August. August, what I can do? I can do 19,000 call buy. Means, so one transaction is to sell, one transaction is to buy, but same strikes at different expiries. This is called calendar spread. This is called call calendar spread. So strikes are the same. Now, strikes are the different. Let's say July, I have taken 90,000 and August, let's say I have taken 19,200. Here, two strikes are different. Here is sell, here is buy, but strikes are different. This is called a diagonal calendar. So what is the difference between calendar spread and diagonal calendar? Calendar spreads, strikes are the same. Diagonal calendar spread, two strikes are the different. Similarly, we'll take put side also. Means, let's say in July, let's say 80,500 put, sell, let's say sell. If I take 18,200 put, what I do? Buy. So one is sell, another one is buy. But strikes are different, expiries are different. This is called put diagonal calendar spread. Hope you understand this brief. This is all about calendar ratio spread. Now let's get into what is all about. I have taken this trade, how it works, and what are the details. How I trade initiated. In this trade, you can watch this date I have taken, that is given there, and what are the strikes I have taken, what is the pay up that is there, what is the max profit and loss, what is the BP, everything is there. Just go through these details yourself. If required, take a pause the screen and understand the trade so you understand much better. So let me brief you in this one. What I have taken, when spot is 18,000 around 600, on 29th May itself, I have initiated this trade. So 80,000 put I sell and 19,200 call I sell, right? And next month, this is about June, right? This is June month. Then I have taken July, right? I have to take July. Just one strike below the put strike, I bought. In July call side, one strike above call bought. So what is this called? This is called diagonal calendar spread. This is called diagonal calendar spread. Then what is the ratio? Here, sold quantity is 10 10 lots and bought quantity is 5 lot. This is called ratio. Means number of quantities sold, number of quantities bought are not equal. This is called ratio. What is this ratio? This ratio is called 2:1. 2 by 1 sell. So this is a ratio to get more credit, because we all know that, right? This is a lower VIX environment, but we have to get more premium. This is how we have taken this trade. We manage this one, right? This is a trade initial one. So after taking this trade, so observe this, what is the break even? 17,000 around 900. Upper side break even is 19,330 points. Max profit is appearing 48,000. Over a period of time, after adjustments and all, this max profit keeps changing. Of course, break evens also will be keep changing. That is and all, just you can keep observing what is this all about this. Okay, let's move on to next slide. On 1st June, I rolled down call side. Why? Maybe market has corrected a little bit. I just rolled down. What I have written? 19,200 closed and 19,100 new one sold. This is how just CE roll down. These are the major over a period of time, roll up and roll down. PE roll up, call roll down. This is how we do basic. This is basic adjustments. There are several adjustments. One who has watched the video completely, they can understand much better. Now move on to next one. So this is on 9th June. What has happened? Here, right? If you see, if you observe this strike, right? 19, so earlier it was 19,100. Now I rolled on much, one strike below 19,000 call with a premium of 47. So with the premium around 40, right? Premium around 40, 50. Selling at 40, 50 is very good for to short. So I was holding 18,000 P as is, but I rolled down call side 19,100 to 19,000 call. This is the trade update on 9th June. This is now market has slightly rolled up, or put was got very good decay. Then what would you do? Obviously we will, right? This is a 80,000 put. I exited, closed at 1670, and this is on 13th June, right? So I sold 18,300 put. This is the update on 13th June. On 19th June, what has happened 19th June? So spot was around, say, 18,755 around, so close to 18,800. So market has rallied very good. So what has to do? I have to close lower put. So 18,300 I closed, and I rolled up to 18,500 put I sold for 31 rupees 25 paisa. You see here, I told you, right? Our adjustment, rolling up and rolling down, we will get higher profit. We started with the 48,000 max profit. Now it is showing 62,396 as a max profit. But BEP, if you observe BEP, right? Break-even points is going closer. Earlier was far from spot, now closer, right? And now this is 7 days to expiry, but we got 400 points range. 400 points downside and 400 points upside. We are very close, and market is doing well with favorable to us. So let's see what happened next. Now, this is the final trade closure on 27th 6. This is just 1 day before expiry day. What has happened? I closed it. I closed the trade with 47,225. If you remember, when I initiated the trade, max profit is 48,000. When I closed the trade, profit I got almost max what I was supposed to get in the beginning. So return on investment, of course, there's based on the capital and adjustments you do. It's a 5%. Total profit is 47,200. This is a very simple trade. Spot actually moved within our range. So this is why decay has help, and whatever strikes we shorted, you got a good premium. Overall trade was closed with 5%. And that's all about the trade. Hope you understand the live trade, what I have taken, how I managed to get more premium and get the profit. Maybe, yeah, if I hope this trade is useful to you. Thank you for watching. And this trade and the channel, many people are really watching, like this video, but not subscribing. Please do subscribe the video so that it gives me more motivation to come up with more videos. If you have inquiries, comment and like and share it as well. We have a Telegram group where we discuss this many trades every month. We share it, we discuss adjustments and everything. We would like to participate and know more details. Please do join our Telegram group.